Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your background move, how to make your sprite have gravity, and how to make your sprite be able to stand on a platform. Okay, let's get started. First, here's my example. So as you see, I have gravity, which makes me come down when I jump, and I can move the background when I walk around it. And as you see, I'm standing on a platform right now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here we are on our platform. Go to animation and go ahead and make a new sprite. And go to backgrounds and go ahead and do meadow. I'm going to do meadow. You can do any one of these. I'm just going to do meadow. And name it, go ahead and name it background. Then you want to press this resize button and do 800 for the width and 400 for the height. You want to uncheck these boxes if they're checked, because they'll mess things up. Then you want to press this box right here and then press resize. That'll make it look like it's half-half. Then you want to go to rectangle selection, select your metal half, Control C to copy it, and then it'll duplicate it and then make it like that. So to make it look more natural, you can color it in. So after I do that, I'm going to be right back with you. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I made it look more natural and I took out a tree, and yeah. So then you want to make another sprite as your person. So I'm going to go ahead and do player idle. Then make another one named player down, player up, player left, and player right. Okay, so on player idle, I'm going to do the player as red and color in the whole thing red. Go ahead and do that for everyone. And then you want to go to the color, go to black, and then you want to draw for idle, make it look like it's looking at you. For down, make it look like it's looking down. For up, make it look like it's looking up. For left, make it look like it's looking left. And for right, make it look like it's looking right. Then you want to make another sprite named ground. This is what we'll be standing on. So you want to resize it into 820. You want to do 820 because our width of the whole thing is 800, and the ground, I'm gonna make the height only 20. So you want to do that. Actually, don't do that yet. First you want to make a background, like do maybe blue, and then color the whole thing in, then resize it 820. Resize, and then it'll look like that. Then you just color everything in, and there's your ground. Now all you have to do is go to code and press sprites. You want to make 3 sprites, one named BG, one named G, and one named player. You want to do the background 400, 200, and then set the animation background. For player, you want to set its animation player idle and make the sprite at 100, 400. And then for G, you want to do 400, 400. And then set the animation to ground. Now if we do draw sprites, we should have this. Now the cube is a little big, so we're gonna have to scale it a little in. And let's scale it 0.3. Now you can't see it right now, but after we add in the gravity, it's gonna go to the top of the block. Okay, so now we have to add a comment named cube collide. And then go to the sprites and then go to the velocity y, put in player velocity y 10. Then you want to go to sprite.collide and do player collide G. And now we're on the top. Now you want to go to the comment section and do background moving. So just do BG moving. Then you want to go to the controls if, and then get an if else and put it inside that if. And then get another if and put it inside the else. Now you want to go to the world and do key down right. And then go to the map and do the less than symbol. And then player.x is less than 350. And then go to sprite.x and player.x equals cube.x plus 5. And then you want to go to the if and then do bg.x is greater than bg.width slash 2 minus 400, and then when you click out, it'll do that. Okay, then you want to go to the sprite section and go to sprite x, but do bg.x equals bg.x minus 5. Now we have all that, and then you want to go to the end and do sprite.set animation player right. And that'll make it look like it's going right when we go right. And then you just copy all this, Control-C, and then paste it, but you want to do left 50 minus 5 and you want to do BG less, and you don't want a 400. You don't want a minus 400. And here actually should be plus. And that'll make it the left. And then you just want to do player left. Okay, now we have that, so we can go left and right. Wait. Okay, so we can't go left yet, and that's because we didn't do this. We didn't change these less than symbol to a greater than. Now if we do it, we can go left and then right. But we stop there, and then we can move. It moves the background, stops at the end, and then we can go left, and that works. Okay, now we have to go into a back to idle. So in this back to idle, after we start moving, we just stay in that stance, but we want to go back to idle. Okay, so do another comment, name back to idle. Then you want to go to the if key. You want to do if 3 times. And then go to world, key went up. You want to do that for everyone. And key went up right, key went up left, and key went up, yeah. And then you want to go to sprite, set animation, player, animation, layer, idle. And do that for everyone. Except the last one. You want to do that player down. So do player and then down. So let's go to our thing and then player down. Okay, now we go to the if section. We want to do another if and if inside of that if, saying that we can't jump unless we are on the floor. Now let's go to this and do g.y minus player.y must be less than 110. And then you want to go to the set animation, do player, set animation, player up, and then the velocity y to -50. And then you want to do this space, key down, up, and that should work. Oh, key down, up, and then that. Okay, let's just go world and then do key down, up. Okay, now we can move a background, and then when we jump we do the up animation, and then when we're going down we do the down animation. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!